You just called everyone to remind that you exist. You just publish some advertisement and you use some promotional campaigns on Facebook, social media. Okay, what's the first thing you should do when you open your business again after all these quarantine measures and stay-at-home orders and everything else? Uh, it's almost the same thing, similar thing like you did from the very beginning when you opened your business, when you started it. You have to promote your business like crazy. You really have to promote your business like crazy. Do you remember how was it? Maybe it was years ago, maybe it was months ago when you started your business. And the first thing you did, you promoted. You just called everyone to remind that you exist. You just publish some advertisement and you use some promotional campaigns on Facebook, social media. And you know what happens when you start it? It doesn't work for a while. It's like when you start your own business from scratch and you start to promote, it doesn't work well. And the main reason why, because people, they are distracted. Right now, people change their habits. They don't follow the same pattern of operation like previously. They start to save some money. They start to rethink how they invest their money, how they spend their money. And this is why you have to be very persistent when it comes to promotion right now. You really, literally have to promote like crazy right now. And you have to be ready that for a moment, for a while, it doesn't bring you any results. But you have to continue to promote again and again. And also, there is one more reason why it happens, why it doesn't work from the first try. Because your target audience changed during this last 2 months. It's now you deal with another target audience. Maybe it looks pretty similar, but they think another way. They think differently. And this is why you have to adjust your promotion. So promote like crazy, adjust your promotion, analyze the results of your promotion, because if you don't analyze it and you don't correct it, you waste your money. And money is pretty valuable thing right now, right here. Who has cash, he's a king now. So be smart, promote like crazy, and analyze what happens and adjust your promotion. And this is the first thing.